In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check the perplexity metric for a language model using Hugging Face. Perplexity is an important metric when assessing language models as it provides insight into how well a model predicts a sample. Essentially, lower perplexity indicates that the model is less surprised by the data. We'll walk through the process step by step on Hugging Face, a widely used platform in the machine learning community. First, you need to head over to the Hugging Face website. This platform is a vibrant community where innovators and developers come together to build groundbreaking AI technologies. Once you're on the website, start by entering Perplexity Evaluation in the search bar. This search is crucial because we're looking for specific data sets that measure the perplexity of different language models. After the search results are displayed, look for the dataset titled Equal Perplexity Evaluation. This dataset contains several pre-computed perplexity scores for different models, which will be helpful for our evaluation. Click on it to dive deeper into the dataset's contents. Once you're on the dataset page, you'll find several options. First, click on the text option. This action allows you to see the textual data that is used in the dataset. Understanding the data being evaluated is key, as it gives context to the perplexity scores. Following that, click on the string option. This section provides detailed information about the strings of data that the models were evaluated on. It can be beneficial to comprehend the kind of data each model is handling, as this often influences the perplexity results. Next, you want to explore specific perplexity scores for different models. Start by clicking on Solve 11B Perplexity. This will show you how this particular model has performed in its perplexity metric. Similarly, click on Llama 2.7 BPUP Perplexity and Mistral Perplexity to observe and compare the perplexity performance of these models. Evaluating multiple models provides a broader perspective on their effectiveness. Once you've familiarized yourself with these scores, navigate to the Use this dataset button. Clicking this will allow you to see how you can integrate and utilize this dataset in your projects or further analysis. You'll then be prompted to click on the Datasets option. Here, you'll gain access to all the datasets you've interacted with or plan to use. This is particularly useful for project organization and ensuring you have easy access to your resources. Then, click on Data Studio. This area is designed to help you manipulate and work with your data more effectively. It is a powerful tool for cleaning and prepping your data for further analysis. Finally, you need to click on Run Query. This action will execute your query on the dataset, providing you with the necessary outputs and results based on the dataset's perplexity scores. This final step often ties together all the preceding actions, giving you clear and interpretable results to base your assessments on. By following these steps methodically, you'll be able to thoroughly evaluate different language models using their perplexity metrics, ultimately enhancing your understanding and application of AI technologies.